Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this quick video, I will show you how to buy PlayStation Plus on PS5 using your Cash App. So it is very easy to do. Just follow this video till the end and you will be able to buy your PlayStation Plus using your Cash App. So first you need to do is open up PlayStation.com on your PS5, and once you open it, this will show you this interface where you can purchase PlayStation Plus. So you have to choose the subscription that you want to purchase. First is deluxe, so next is second one is extra, and last is essential. So you can choose any of them, and once you select it, you have to choose the subscription plan. You can choose 1 month, 3 month, or 12-month plan. So once you have selected the plan, you have to click on this add card button, and once you do that, it will open up this page where you have to log in your PlayStation account. So just log in your PlayStation account. Once you log in your account, this is how this is going to show you this window. So from here you have to click on this accept button. So click on that. Then from here you have to add a payment method. So click on this add payment method option. Now this will show you three options. So first is using credit debit card. Second is adding Venmo account or a PayPal account. Now to use your Cash App card, what you need to do is just get a Cash App card. So you need to have a Cash App card to purchase PlayStation Plus with Cash App. So once you have your Cash App card delivered, you can click on this first option, and then you need to enter your card details. So just enter your card number, your card holder name, your card expiration date, and then CVV number, and then click on this next button. And once you do that, your payment will be successfully made. So this is how you can buy PlayStation Plus on PS5 with your Cash App card. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.